Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there on the right upper corner of your notification panel you get the edit icon. Just tap here on the icon, and as can you see here we get two positions, the up section and down section. And if you want to add the icon to your notification panel, you should drag one from these icons from the down section to the up here. And for example, just we want to add the lock screen, just hold for a while your icon and just drag it here to the up position. And now if you'll go back, you can see the changes that we just added here, the two new icons on our notification bar. And by the same way, if you want to remove the icon, just hold for a while icon and drag it here to this down section, for example these two. And if you wanna also change the positions of the icons on your notification panel here, just hold for a while one from the icon and drag it to the section where you wanna just change the position of these icons. So, and just to save the changes, go back and you'll see now all your changes on your notification panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.